I figured out this was my right path back when I was in community college. I never had experience in it. For me, I can see what's happening in my head, and it kind of like made me fall in love with this practice. The day-to-day life for me is I usually go to my table, look at everything, see what has to get done for today, and then I'll just start building. My interests are constantly changing. I'm trying to make new things, but I'm really just going for it and just exploring the technique and how everything is well made. If you don't really know what's going on in the major at all, you can always take an introduction class, and you start out small and then you work your way up to bigger things. People from other majors who dabble in it, they can fall in love with it. The introduction class, you are assigned 6 pieces, and you have to go through that to learn all the basics. But in advanced, you mostly just pick your assignments. Like, you write out your own assignments, you follow through with those throughout the semester. I do know that I think that will be my future somewhere, whether it's in a profession as in teaching or on the side in a small business. I think I'm leaning toward a mixture of both business and teaching. I love teaching ceramics. When I first started doing ceramics, I was really awful. And I slowly developed my skills and learned a lot of improvement techniques that actually made me really pretty decent. I'm happy with doing this, and if it goes somewhere, it goes somewhere. If it doesn't, well then I can still do it on the side of a 9-to-5 job.